This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix chess.com app not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, today I'm going to show you multiple solutions in order for you to fix your chess application on your device. So guys, for the first option that you have or the first solution is just go to your Google Play Store and then search for chess. And then from here, just select the chess.com application. And then from here, guys, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. So now, for the second solution, is just go to your settings on your device. And then once you are on the settings, just scroll down and tap on the apps. And then from here, guys, you will see all of the installed application on your device and tap on the chess. And guys, over here, tap on the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, you should be able to have a working chess application. So now, if any of the solution doesn't work, all you have to do now is reinstall the application on your device. So first, uninstall chess on your device. And then once it is uninstalled, guys, just go back to the Google Play Store and now install it back again. And then from there, you should be able to fix your chess application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya!